In this video, I will show how to fix and resolve Windows Update error 0x at 0248007. So guys, to resolve this problem, you can try this method. Click on Start, then Settings, then here Troubleshoot, run other troubleshooters, and run troubleshooter on Windows Update, and follow the suggestions which you see here. Now once this complete, exit and open CMD. Run as administrator. Type this command sfc / scan now. Then press enter and complete this scanning. Once this complete, you have to try and you have to type second command line. Copy and paste. I will give these both command in description. So copy and paste and press enter. And once this complete guys, the second command line scanning. So exit and restart your system. So this is the way and methods guys you can try to resolve this problem. Thanks for watching and comment this method work for you or not.